Volkswagen has just dropped their updated 2026 Grand California at the Düsseldorf Caravan Salon. And let me tell you, this is not just a minor facelift. We are talking about a game-changing campervan that takes European luxury to an entirely new level. Built on the legendary VW Crafter chassis, the Grand California has been the gold standard for European campervans for years. But for 2026? Volkswagen listened to feedback and delivered something truly special. Before we dive in, if you love RV tours and campervan reviews, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest walkthroughs. It really helps the channel grow. Today, we are giving you an exclusive walkthrough of the new 2026 Volkswagen Grand California 600, showing you every upgrade, every feature, and answering the big question, is this the perfect European campervan? Let's dive in. Let's start with what you see first, the exterior. And trust me, Volkswagen has made some serious refinements here. The Grand California 600 measures exactly 5.98 meters, or just under 20 feet, in length. Width, 2.04 meters. But with mirrors, you are looking at 2.41 meters. And here's the sweet spot. At 2.97 meters tall, it fits into most European parking garages and tunnels. This is critical for European travel. The front fascia features updated halogen headlights, with LED daytime running lights and range control. You have got integrated fog lights with a cornering function. Super practical for those narrow mountain roads. Moving to the side, check out these gorgeous 17-inch Lismore alloy wheels, standard on the 600 model. They are paired with 235/60R17 tires that balance comfort and durability. Now, you will notice the manual sliding door on the driver's side. Yes, it is manual, not electric, but Volkswagen says this reduces weight and increases reliability. And there is an optional, electrically retractable step that slides out automatically when you open the door. The rear features 180-degree wing doors that open wide for easy access to the storage area beneath the bed. This is where you will load bulky gear, bikes, or outdoor equipment. Up top, there is an optional 2.5 by 3 meter black awning that extends the living space outdoors. Perfect for those sunny Mediterranean campsites. Alright, let's step inside and see where Volkswagen really knocked it out of the park this year. The moment you step in, you notice the stunning new Atami Bamboo decor. This is the big visual update for 2026. Look at that tabletop and kitchen countertops. That bamboo-style pattern creates an instant yacht-like Mediterranean luxury feel. Combined with the white cabinetry, this interior feels like a €200,000 motorhome, not a campervan. Standing height, an impressive 2.18 to 2.20 meters. Even tall folks will be comfortable here. Let's talk about the kitchen, because this is where you will spend a lot of time. The 2026 model features a twin-burner gas hob with a two-part glass cover that folds over. There is a deep stainless steel sink with a new redesigned black faucet. The contrast against the bamboo is gorgeous. You have hot and cold water from a 110-liter freshwater tank. And here is the best part: expandable countertop panels on both sides, giving you extra prep space when cooking. Storage? Tons of it. Upper cabinets feature new luggage nets for organizing clothes and utensils. There is a gas storage cupboard for 2 bottles, meaning extended off-grid capability. Oh, and here is a genius feature. The dining table can be retracted outside through the sliding door to create an outdoor kitchen countertop. How cool is that? The dinette seats 4 comfortably, around a 1.16 by 0.55 meter table. The seating bench measures 0.45 meters deep, perfect for lounging or converting to extra sleeping space if needed. Up front, you have got the Discover Media navigation system, with a 10.4-inch touchscreen, DAB+ radio, Bluetooth, App Connect for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a multifunction display, 4 speakers, 2 tweeters and 2 woofers deliver surprisingly good sound quality. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this detailed walkthrough, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more RV enthusiasts like you. And check this out. Both driver and passenger seats swivel 180 degrees with armrests and lumbar support. This creates a true living room feel. Volkswagen even switched back to a handbrake instead of an electronic parking brake, making seat swiveling easier. Now, here is one of the Grand California's killer features: a full wet room. This is rare in campervans under 6 meters. Inside the 0.82 by 0.82 meter space, you have got a cassette toilet that is easy to empty, a full shower with dedicated drain and odor trap, a fold-up basin that tucks away when using the shower, a folding mirror with motion sensor lighting, multiple storage shelves for toiletries, and a quadruple towel storage solution. The floor has 2 drains with dirt traps to prevent overflow. And those motion sensors? They activate indirect lighting automatically. Super practical at night. The primary sleeping area is a crosswise rear bed, measuring 1.93 by 1.36 meters. It features plate spring suspension, not foam, which provides excellent support in any sleeping position. Lift it up, and you reveal massive storage underneath, with 2-part load-securing equipment. The rear wing doors give direct access to this area, super convenient for loading. Above the bed, there is a large 0.7 by 0.6 meter skylight with integrated mosquito nets and blackout blinds. For families, the optional overcab loft bed sleeps 2 children, up to 150 kilograms capacity. It measures 1.6 meters on the left, expanding to 1.9 meters on the right, with its own largest skylight measuring 0.7 by 0.85 meters and an aluminum ladder. This bed can be pulled out electrically at the touch of a button. All camping windows feature mosquito nets and pleated blinds, excellent for ventilation and privacy. The central operating unit features intuitive touch controls for the 6 kilowatt heating system that runs on gas and mains electric, a 10-liter water heater, lighting control, and water level monitoring. There is an optional diesel heating upgrade, the Truma Combi D6E, that runs on the vehicle's fuel tank, eliminating the need for gas bottles. 5 air vents distribute heat evenly throughout, and new for 2026. Optional thermal mats and blackout sets for all windows, maintaining comfortable temperatures year-round. An optional 104-watt solar panel on the roof keeps the second 12-volt battery charged for off-grid adventures. The engine is a 2.0-liter TDI diesel, producing 177 horsepower at 3,600 RPM, with 410 Newton-meters of torque between 1,500 and 2,000 RPM. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic gearbox with smooth shifting and front-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive is available on the 680 model. This engine is Euro 6D, ISC FCM compliant with a diesel particulate filter, making it one of the cleanest diesels available. Fuel economy? You are looking at 23.7 to 26.2 miles per gallon combined, with carbon dioxide emissions between 284 and 311 grams per kilometer. The 75-liter fuel tank gives you excellent range for long European road trips. For weight and capacity, the gross vehicle weight is 3,500 kilograms, or 7,716 pounds. Unladen weight is 3,093 kilograms. Payload is 407 kilograms, about 897 pounds. Towing capacity is 2,000 kilograms braked, 750 kilograms unbraked. That 3.5-ton gross weight is crucial. It means most Europeans can drive this on a standard car license. Volkswagen packed this with driver aids, adaptive cruise control, front assist with city emergency braking, lane keeping assist, crosswind assist, park assist, rear traffic alert, and optional travel assist for semi-automated driving. So, what's the damage to your wallet? The 2026 Volkswagen Grand California 600 starts at €106,380 in Ireland, including VAT and VRT. That is roughly £89,000 in the UK, or about $116,000 if it were available in America. Sadly, it is not. Now, that is the base price. Popular options include the overcab loft bed at around €3,000, solar panel system at 104 watts for €1,500, diesel heating upgrade for €2,500, park assist system for €800, satellite TV system for €1,800, and roof-mounted air conditioning at 2,200 watts for €2,000. Fully optioned, you are looking at around €115,000 to €120,000. Yes, it is expensive, but compare this to similarly equipped motorhomes from Hymer, Knaus, or Bürstner, and the Grand California is very competitively priced, especially with that VW reliability and dealer network across Europe. So, is the 2026 Volkswagen Grand California worth it? If you are looking for a true European luxury campervan that balances size, comfort, and capability, absolutely. The new Atami Bamboo interior elevates this to yacht-like luxury. The full wet room is a game-changer, and that compact 6-meter footprint means you can explore narrow European villages without stress. Would I buy one? If I had €110,000 burning a hole in my pocket and lived in Europe, yes, without hesitation. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next RV tour. Drop a comment below. Would you choose the Grand California 600 or 680? Let me know. Thanks for watching. And remember, adventure awaits. See you on the road.